Hello, everyone. My name is Brandon Faulkner, and welcome to Village Core, where our goal is to build intergenerational connections for mutual learning through connecting, sharing, and learning. This is a place where senior wisdom and youth tech minds join forces in order to bring you meetings like this. Today, we have MyFitnessPal, an app that allows you to count your calories, keep track of your workouts, and that ensures you're getting the proper food that you should be consuming, as well as the exercise that you should be reaching to reach your goals for your exercise needs whenever you want, at whatever time you want to start, because the right time to start is now. So, reaching your goal with MyFitnessPal, it is the #1 nutrition tracking app. Build healthy habits with all-in-one food, exercise, and calorie tracker. So this allows you to track so much more meals that you eat. It allows you to track everything, all your workouts, and other things like that. You can start today by clicking this button where you can ready to track some wins. So you can track how much protein you consume, you can track how many calories you've eaten, so your base goal calories, the amount of food, and then the amount of calories that you want to burn. And then, of course, you can look at meals that you're eating and track those meals. You can track the protein that's inside of it, the fat, and also the carbohydrates, along with so much more. So if we continue on here, we can set up our profile by stating what my name is. So if I were to say what my name is, we can type that in. We can say my name is Brandon. And then my goal is to lose weight and gain muscle, as well as increase my step count. And then we can say, great, you've taken a big step on your journey. Then we can continue on. We could say, in the past, what have been your barriers to losing weight? You can say lack of time, the regimen was too hard to follow, did not enjoy the food, difficult to make food choices, social eating at events, which is one of my big ones. And then let's say lack of time, and then difficult to make food choices as well. Then we can continue on, and now that we're creating our profile, we can continue on answering the questions, and it'll build up and build up until you have your right profile that you want. So here we have what results you want to achieve from getting muscles. It's tone up. Let's say that. And then next, how many steps do you take per day now? I'd say I take roughly 3,000 steps on average a day. So the average person walks 3,000 to 4,000 steps per day. I am very active because I spend a good part of my day doing sports and physical activity as well. I am male. You specify your birth year, you specify where you live, and then you can get that all going as well. So if I say, let's say I was born 06, 06, 07, 2001. And then let's say my zip code is 92008. Continue on here. We can say my height, I'm 5'11". I'm 5 feet 11 inches. Current weight 185. Goal weight is to be at, let's say, 175, to lose 10 pounds. Let's say that. Lose 1 pound per week, recommended. And then, of course, we create our account from here, which you can use things like Google services, or you can use things like Facebook as well, in order to continue on with your account, which for now, I'm just going to use Google services here. We can continue on, continue, allow, and then now we have MyFitnessPal. Of course, because I did all that, and now that I'm signed up with officially an account, it's now going to make me go through the steps once more. But you see how I did it, and you see how it's very simple to track what you want to do and track the progress that you want to see. 3.7 million 5-star reviews from users who have used it throughout the years that have allowed them to lose weight, allowed them to keep on track with their goals, with their fitness goals. You can hit your goals in 1, 2, 3 easy steps by tracking your food, fitness, and fasting. You can learn how it works, so you can learn exactly what you're putting into your body and the amount of calories and all the protein and all that sort of stuff and what it does to your body. And then you can change your habits and reach your goals much quicker with MyFitnessPal because it reminds you to exercise, it reminds you to drink water, it reminds you to eat healthy. You can sync steps, weight, and more workout as well. So if you have different applications that you use, you can link all these applications and more to the MyFitnessPal app. So they'll directly work together in order to track as accurately as possible the amount of food that you're consuming and also the amount of exercise that you're doing. So the big ones right now are, of course, Apple Health, which we have right here, where Apple Health tracks how many steps you are taking. Also, a newer one that is becoming more popular with social media is Strava, which is a runner's app as well as a biking app. One that is commonly known as Fitbit that tracks all workouts. Same with Garmin, same with Google Health, and then the other ones as well. If it's eligible, it's in here. Food tracking apps with 18 million global foods. So we can search through food calories. There's also nutrition tracking works. Here's proof. So we can see proof of nutrition tracking and how it helped people lose weight and make them feel better about themselves and better about what they do and become more healthy overall. You can have if you have 2 minutes, you can set up your personalized daily plan in order to help you maintain weight, lose weight, gain muscle, modify your diet. Knowledge is power. So the more knowledge you have, this is their philosophy. The more knowledge you have, the better you are and the better equipped you are to face your goals and to get those goals completed much faster. They've been featured in different things like CNN, Women's Health, CNET, USA Today, Daily Mail, Good Keeping, and BBC Radio as well. So here we have the app. Once again, you can go through, you can start today by simply signing up, getting your account ready, and moving along and starting that goal of reaching the goal that you want to reach. Like for me, it's lose weight, gain muscle or not gain muscle, but lose weight, increase my steps count, and manage stress. And so let's say we want to continue here. Lack of time, difficult making food choices, social events. Next, complete the statement. I feel better after I walk, run, do strength workout, do a bike ride. Let's say do something else because I enjoy playing tennis. I this one. And then we can say I'm very active since I'm playing tennis every day. Male, put in the year, put in the zip code. And then once again, we're going to have to run through this just quickly in order to make sure that, you guys see how it's set up. 185, 175. 1 pound per week. And then, of course, it logged me out of my account. So I would have to do that all over again. But essentially, once you arrive in the app, it'll look like this. It'll be your main kind of homepage where you have your kind of profile, you have your notifications. You can track your macros that you're eating for each little one of these little dots. It's something different. So this one is for macros. The other little dots are for your step count, the amount of exercise that you're getting, the amount of times that you've worked out in a week. So we can see steps here. So this person has 3,550 steps out of a goal of 15,000 steps for that day. The exercise that they've had is roughly 100 calories burned with a 30-minute exercise goal right there. And then you can also search through food that you're eating. You can see the dashboard. You can see the diary, so you can track through the diary exactly what you've done throughout the day. There's a news feed where the news feed allows you to see what other people are doing and then also different ways and different workouts that you can do. And then, of course, your plan that you can create yourself. Also, this little barcode scanner here. This little barcode scanner here allows you to actually scan the food that you're eating. So let's say it's a packaged meal, you can scan it and then you can add it in as well. And you can count it as, let's say, a bag of Doritos, which of course, if you're trying to be healthy, you wouldn't necessarily be eating a bag of Doritos. But let's just take that example. And then you can scan it, you can track it, and then you can add it in, and it'll fill up here with how many macros that you want to eat. And then, of course, your carbohydrates, your fat, your protein, all that good stuff listed right there. And then here as well, we have tracking food and fitness. So your fasting period, it'll track how long you want to fast for. So this person wants to fast for 4 hours with a 16-hour goal of fasting. 150,000 calories minus 164,000 plus 290 equals 143 calories remaining. You can have a small breakfast. It tracks exactly what you should be eating within your diary of what you want to do. And then, of course, going down here, you can see how active you were, how much intake you were taking. So on Saturday or on Sunday, this person was consuming a lot of fatty foods. And then, of course, on Friday, this person was consuming a lot of protein. On Monday, this person was consuming a lot of carbohydrates. So it depends and it varies. Of course, you don't need to follow a strict rule where it's exactly, you reach this goal, you reach this goal, you reach this goal. Of course, everybody's human. Everybody will eat what they want. It's just a great way to see exactly what you're eating and to stay on top of your fitness goals and all that. Also, there are different premium features that are within the app, and we'll get to that in a second. But yeah, MyFitnessPal is here. It is available for you to use at whatever time that you want. And then, of course, we can look at MyFitnessPal Premium. So MyFitnessPal Premium, if we unlock with Premium today, we can start our free trial. And of course, 8 out of 10 Premium members have made progress towards their goals. For Premium, it's $80 a year. You get the barcode scan and meal scan. You get custom macro tracking and then ad-free experience as well. And then, of course, you can switch to a monthly plan if you want. But the best deal is the annual plan that you can have ready to go. So you get that barcode scan, you get 0 ads, 0 distractions, and now intermittent fasting tracking that allows you to burn more calories. So here you can see the side-by-side comparison of the free version and the premium version. It just depends on what you're trying to do and what goals you're trying to reach. So other than that, I have nothing else to add about MyFitnessPal. It's just a really easy way for you to count how many calories you're eating and stay on top of your exercise in order to make you feel more happy and healthy at the same time. So other than that, once again, my name is Brandon Faulkner. Be sure to check out our website, which is at villagecore.org, where you can keep up to date with both past meetings and future meetings that we host, just like this. Also, make sure to check out our YouTube channel, which is at VillageCore Channel, where you can keep up to date with both past meetings and future meetings that we'll be hosting, just like this one, so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest in technology. I want to thank you all very much for watching.